What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mayur Pawar and you're watching The Bearded Geek. Well, today again I'm back with another website builder, which is a free website builder, at least for 3 websites. The name of the website is card.co. I don't know if many of you might have actually heard about this website, but I recently figured a way, and there are a lot of people who are talking about card company. So I'm going to today show you how can you create free websites. It's a free website builder. You can create one page of website for almost anything, might be your portfolio, your landing page, or if you want to just create a lead generation form or something like that. Without any delay, let's get started. Before that, I would just like to make an appeal. If you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon besides the subscribe button. That really motivates me a lot to create such kind of videos. I daily upload videos related to tech, passive income, digital marketing and stuff like that. So if you are really interested in my content, please do hit the subscribe button. That would help me a lot. Let's get on the computer screen started.
Here we are on the desktop screen. Well, as I said, the name of the website is card.co. It's basically a website where you can create one-pager sites for pretty much anything. It's simple, free, fully responsive. Let's have a look what exactly is Card. Build one-page sites for pretty much anything, whether it's a personal profile, a landing page to capture emails, or something bit more elaborate. Card has you covered, simple, responsive, and yup, totally free. So these are few templates. So Card has templates which they offer. There are few free templates as well as there are premium ones. I would actually suggest you guys to go ahead with a free plan because we'll talk about it later. Let's see first what Card has to offer. So it's simple. Start with 1 dozen of template or a blank canvas to make it your own. All right. It's responsive as it says on the first line itself. It's free. Build up to 3 sites per account and use all of Card's core features. So this website, the coolest part of this website is basically it will give you 3 websites to create with your free account, and it doesn't restrict the users, the free users especially, to from not from actually using any of their features. It will give you, for all those 3 websites, it will give you all the features which Card actually offers. So that's a really cool one. Optional, yeah, this is, you can actually go for the pro version of it. Upgrade your Card experience, go pro from just $19 per year. Well, actually it's saying here is $19, but the plan actually starts with $9. If you want, you can check it out over here. um yeah, so what does the pro plan offer? These are the details basically. And as I said, the Pro Lite plan starts from $9 per year. It has 3 websites, premium URLs, no branding, high quality images, and a lot of stuff. Well, that's just for the people who actually prefer going for Pro, but I would actually suggest you can just start with the free plan itself. Now, I have already created a website. I have already created an account for myself, but I'm just gonna show you, like, you need to log in for making these 3 websites. These are the free websites, I agree on that, but you need to log in to, you need to sign up for an account. Only then you will be able to publish your websites. So this is just a test website which I have created. Let me just show you guys how does that exactly look. And this is the dashboard. Now the domain, as you can notice over here, the domain ends with card.co. So when you are actually on a free plan with Card, they cannot, I mean, they do not offer you to customize your domain, whether it is from Card or you have purchased it from some other website. You cannot actually customize your own domain over here. You have to go ahead with card.co. But as you see, this is just like demonstration, is just the name which I have used for this website, just as is for a demonstration purpose. This is a pretty cool one-pager website. These are the images which I've just added for you guys. I'm just gonna quickly show you how can you do that. There is a social media toolbar as well for in order for you to redirect your users to your social profiles. So let's get started from scratch. How can you do that? So let me just quickly run you through the dashboard. This is where your all these sites would appear. As you can see, I have created this demonstration website. So it's appearing over here. These are your account details. You can actually manage your account from here, change the payment method, and your basic information, security profile, activity, referral program. Yeah, this is also a point. So Dash also offers a referral program. You, in case you want to, you are an influencer or something like that, you can always join the referral program and earn 30% of the revenue. um, there are documentation, but this is not something which is required right now. That's something just like the FAQ section, which you would require in case you have any queries. But it's pretty simple to make any website on Card. Let me just quickly show you how can you do that. Let's go on manage your sites. Now I already have one website which I've created for showing you guys, but let me just add a new site here. All right. So the moment you land on this particular site template, there are a lot of templates you can choose from. There are also, one second, it's loading. Yeah, so there are different types of templates which you can actually choose from. I'm sorry about the internet speed, but let me just show you. I think they should have loaded by now. Yeah, so as you can see, there are a variety of templates which actually you can choose from. There are pro as well as free templates. In order to use the pro ones, you will definitely have to upgrade to the premium plan. But there are many options which you can use for the free ones. They also segregate their options through profile. If you want to create a profile page, there are landing pages. There is like a single page or website. As I said earlier, you can create forms. Then there is portfolio in case you're a photographer or something, like working with arts, graphics, and stuff like that. And then there are sectioned ones. So I am going to create a landing page right now. Let me see if we can choose a template. Probably I do agree that there are quite a few options when it comes to the free ones, but trust me guys, for it's pretty much what you need. Like with the free option and without paying any single penny, if you're getting a portfolio for yourself, that is a really great thing. And plus the most important part is this website gets created within minutes. Like you just need to know the dashboard and what exactly do you need to do. And in case if you are not aware of any of this particular functions, what exactly they do and how do they how do you go about it, there is a pretty cool option here. You just need to click on this hamburger menu and click on the instructions option, and here, voila, you have all the instructions. Basically it will tell you what each and every button does. Like the first one says add elements, text, etc. The second one is undo. The third one is redo, preview animations in case you add any animations or videos or gifs in your website. Switch to mobile view. It can also tell you how your website is going to look like, your one page or website, how is it going to look on the mobile. And once you are done with everything, you can publish your website from here. Yeah, again, just to remind you guys, before publishing, you cannot again, if you're having a free plan, you cannot actually integrate your own domain name. You will have to go with a domain name ending with card.co. And then there is a open menu for additional actions. So this is pretty useful, pretty simple, and it's really quick. So let's get started with it. Now this is the template which I have chosen. You just need to, it's a drag and drop situation here. For example, if you want to rename this untitled thing, so you just need to click on it, and let's say the bearded geek. So I've added the name of my website. I'm gonna click on done. Lorem ipsum, it's basically the content which you want to add. For example, this is my test blog, blah blah blah. I'm just adding it for the reference sake. In case you want to duplicate this item, there is an option for that as well. Now learn more is the button. It gives you an option to put an URL. For example, if you want to drive from this particular page, you want to drive users to, let's say, your social media pages, or let's say your Quora page where you have a lot of content viewers and stuff like that. You can add that URL over here. You can change this label, the button name. Right now it's saying learn more. Let's say explore, and you can also change the look and feel. It's like none. Right now it's none. I don't want it to, I don't want to change it to anything else, because right now it's pretty cool the way it's looking. um yeah, now as you see on click, the hover, the effect, there is an effect over here which is already added, but in order to change that, you will again need to upgrade the plan. If you want another button, for example, if you want, let's say, you can name this as my personal blog, and let's say done. So it's my personal blog, and if you want another button below that which will redirect people to, so another, like when you of course when you add it as my personal blog, you'll have to change this URL to your personal blog. You can also duplicate this particular button just by clicking make a copy of this element and just click on that. So automatically it has created a copy of it. And let's say this one you want to yeah, let's say this one you want to change it to my Instagram wall, and then you can actually add your Instagram link here and just click on done. So you see that the text changes. I know you guys would be figuring, I mean, you would be thinking about the background. We are going to change that as well in quite some time. There is another option, like for example, if you want this to be over here, you can just add it here. You can change this image. I have just downloaded few reference images which I'm going to show you how can you upload. It's pretty simple, guys. So let's say this is, I have downloaded this images from Pexel. You can actually change how you want this image to look. I'm just gonna go with accept, as it's just a demonstration video. You can add an alt text option here. Let's say a beautiful house. And you can also link this, I mean, image to another page. So for example, if this was like, I have downloaded this from Pexel, right? So this would be pexel.com, and then you click on done. So as you see, this image will now take me to Pexel. Similarly, you can just click on this Magna Tempest and you can change that text as well. Now in case you don't want this, now this is looking a bit abrupt, as you see the background here. In case you don't want this background, you can change this background. You can maybe take a image from their library. Let's see, let's go with the first one. And similarly you can just similarly I'm gonna add images just to show you guys how to publish the website. Again, this is just a random image which I have downloaded from Pexel. I'm just reposition this and click on done. Again, you can change this. You just need to tap it once and just Control A and type whatever the content is. Make sure that your content is not plagiarized content. It is your own content. Otherwise, Google might just like discard your or disable your profile rather. Again, it's gonna be the same image. Again, you can add the alt text. Similarly, if you want the same option, the same element to be copied, you can again click on this particular element, but I'm not going to do that right away. Yeah, and this is the image basically. So this is a pretty cool website. This is a one-pager website which we have created. In case you don't want this image, like for example, if you are feeling that right now this text is getting a bit hidden on, the image is getting more focus, you can always change the image. Let's say some darker image would do a better job. And done. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. Alright, so I have added. Similarly, you can click on these social media links as well, the icons, and you can add whatever the profile URL you have. You can change the color of the icon and stuff. There is also VSEO profile which is being given over here. That's a cool option. Again, in case you want to change the color and how it is appearing, you can always do that here. Like let's say this icon, you want to do that yellow. Let's see how that looks. So this is just a pretty basic thing which I'm showing you guys. Well, if you like this video, that is about it, and you can just hit the publish option here. Now the moment you click on the save option, it will ask the title for the website. So let's say Bearded Geek. You can add whatever description you need here. And it also instructs you that this site's description and what goes in it's going to show as the meta description. If you don't know what is a meta description, you can Google about it. It's an important factor, I would say. It asks you usercard.co URL, or you can add a custom domain, but you cannot add a custom domain unless you go for the paid version. I am going to just see whether the Bearded Geek is available. It is checking currently and it's available. So now if I want, I can just publish this, but I'm not going to do that right now. I will probably check a double K one. Yeah, and click on the publish one. So it's publishing. Well, if you're finding this video helpful, guys, it's an appeal again. Please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon besides that. And do not forget to like this video. It would actually help me and motivate me to create more and more videos for you guys like this. So please do that. So as it has already published the website, and let's see how it looks. View site. It's going to take you to the URL. The URL is thebeardedgeek.card.co. So this is what your website is. As you can see, it says my personal blog. I have not changed any URL. So on the left hand corner over here, you will be able to see that the URL is the same. Again over here, Instagram wall, and yeah, so this was my video basically about Cardco templates, how you can use them, how you can make a one-page website for yourself. Similarly, you can go ahead and choose always from the different types of templates which they have provided. Well, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video for you guys. Till then, keep geeking. Thank you for watching, guys.